Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Jain and we have to proceed to the new element of the face, that is the nose. We have done already ear, eyes and lips. Then we proceed to nose. For this we have to take an A4 size paper and put a line in the center with the help of drawing grip. You all know how to use the drawing grip. This is your drawing grip. Got it? Now divide the page like this. Now see, here you have to make a triangle shape. Which shape? Very lightly you have to draw the shape. Okay, this is a triangle shape. Seen na? Now from here you have to draw a curve line. Make sure it is center. Make sure it. A curve line. Now here two horizontal oval like this. Make it. Of the same width. Here one more curve line. You have to slant curve line. Okay, like this. See this. After this, you have to make it like this. Now, your nose will be ready within 10 seconds. Now, after this, you have to shade it. Wait for a while. Now see, this is your, these circle, these area and these two parts you have to set colorless. Here you use dark tone. Here also you use dark tone and here very dark tone. Okay, in these there is no light traveling here inside this. Okay, now we have to proceed to the shading. Which grip we have to follow for shading? Overhand grip. Now along this line you have to shade it. See this. See, this circular shape you have to use like this. Here also the dark tone will be there. Now merge with the middle and the light tone here. Here also light and the middle tone. Here the darkest tone. And see here, you have to make it very dark so that interior part you have to see. Now your nose will be ready. Some more dark tone you have to use here so that it would be a 3D look. It would give you the 3D, very good 3D look. See this. Please like and subscribe my channel.